The options market can be a confusing place. Sorting through the daily avalanche of data, alerts, updates, articles, and analysis to find the most important information is an overwhelming prospect. But now you have help. Welcome to the Options News Rundown, the only program that breaks through the noise to bring you the most important news and information from the world of options. Every day, we bring you the top 5 option stories curated by the options experts at theoptionsinsider.com, the premier source for options information. The Options News Rundown is brought to you by LevelTradingField.com, the online communication, research, and quantitative platform with the largest collection of financial tools for traders, including the innovative Bitcoin Market Predictor. The Bitcoin Market Predictor is a simple prediction game where 10 people place bets on the future price of Bitcoin, and the top 3 most accurate predictions wins. Sign up at LevelTradingField.com with promo code INSIDER. The Options News Rundown is also brought to you by Market Taker Mentoring, the leader in options trading education. Get trader education, daily trade ideas, and more with a free 1-week trial of Market Taker Mentoring's Live Advantage Group coaching class by visiting markettaker.com/insider. And now it's time to break through the noise. It's time for your Options News Rundown.
Good morning. Today is December 22nd, 2017. This is your Options News Rundown. I'm Dan Passarelli. Our first story today is a CNBC story. Bitcoin falls by more than 3,000, dropping through the 13,000 mark. Bitcoin and several other major cryptocurrencies plunged Thursday evening New York time as the end of an exponential year of growth neared. The slashing decline triggered temporary built-in trading halts in Bitcoin futures traded on the CME and CBOE. Bitcoin plunged more than 20% to a low of 12,504 according to CoinDesk, down more than $3,000 from 15,820 less than 12 hours ago. The digital currency recovered slightly to $13,545 as of 4:09 a.m. Eastern Time. It was still down almost 13% for the session. Despite the sharp drop, the decline took Bitcoin only to roughly 2-week lows. The digital currency is still up more than 1,300% this year. It's not immediately clear what caused the digital currency's sudden dive. Our second story today is from investing.com, and it's the top 5 things to know in the market today on Friday. The first thing is what we just talked about. Bitcoin crashes 30%, worst week since 2013. Doesn't really offer any reason. So the second thing to know is Catalan elections results in a weigh on the euro. The euro was under pressure on Friday as separatists in Spain's Catalan region look set to form a coalition government, rattling markets as Spanish Prime Minister Mariano Rajoy's plan to rein in the independent sentiment in the area, led by Barcelona, failed. Even though the center-right party the Citizens Party won the largest portion of the votes with 37 seats, the 3 separatists parties won 70 of the 135 seats in Catalonia's parliament. Third thing to know in the market today is focus on U.S. data dump. In the last session before Christmas, markets will focus on data released stateside Friday. Top-tier data, including durable goods, personal income and spending, and core PCE price index for November will be published at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. Fourth thing to know, global stocks trade mixed as volume continues too thin. Trading was expected to be thin on Friday as many market participants already closed their books for the Christmas holidays. According to Reuters, volume on U.S. exchanges was 6.08 billion shares on Thursday, compared to the 6.88 billion average for the full session over the last 20 trading days. And the fifth thing to know in the market today is oil falls ahead of U.S. shale production data. Oil slipped on Fridays from some of their highest levels since mid-2015, weighed down by rising U.S. output and the expected January reopening of the Forties pipeline in the North Sea. Our next story today is from investing.com. U.S. durable goods orders rise less than expected. U.S. orders for long-lasting manufactured goods rose less than expected in November, dampening optimism over the U.S. economy, according to official data released on Wednesday. Total durable goods orders, which include transportation items, rose by 1.3% last month. That figure from the Commerce Department, compared to economists' expectations for a gain of 2%. That came after October's fall of negative 0.4%, which was upwardly revised from an initial 0.8% decline. I think this is fourth story today. Here's from CNBC.com. U.S. personal income rose 0.3% in November versus 0.4% increase expected. U.S. consumer spending accelerated in November amid an increase in demand for recreational goods and utilities, but the strong pace of consumption is likely to be sustained for savings drop to their lowest level in more than 9 years. The Commerce Department said on Friday consumer spending, which accounts for more than 2/3 of U.S. economic activity, rose 0.6% last month after a downwardly revised 0.2% increase in October. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is news you can use for today, Friday, December 22nd, 2017. Your options news rundown. Trade smart and have a Merry Christmas.
The Options News Rundown is brought to you by LevelTradingField.com, the online communication, research, and quantitative platform with the largest collection of financial tools for traders, including the innovative Bitcoin Market Predictor. The Bitcoin Market Predictor is a simple prediction game where 10 people place bets on the future price of Bitcoin, and the top 3 most accurate predictions wins. Sign up at LevelTradingField.com with promo code Insider. The Options News Rundown is also brought to you by Market Taker Mentoring, the leader in options trading education. Get trader education, daily trade ideas, and more with a free 1-week trial of Market Taker Mentoring's Live Advantage Group coaching class by visiting markettaker.com/insider.